Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 235 and I'm gonna show you how to set up or set the alarm clock on this watch. First thing we need to do is to press and hold the up button right here to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you should see the clock options option. Select it, and once you select it, press the activity button to enter. Here, scroll down, find the alarms option, select it and press the activity button. As you can see, we have the add new option. So basically, if you want to add new alarm, select add new, press notification, or rather not notification, but activity button. Now, we have couple options. We have status. This is basically turned on or turn off the alarm. Then we have time. Here we can adjust the time on which the alarm should go off. So we can press the activity button and adjust the time by pressing the up and down buttons. Then you can adjust the minutes. Then you can select AM or PM and press the activity button again and again to confirm. Next we have the sounds, and you can select this option, press activity, and we have tone and vibration and tone. So basically the beeping sound, vibration only, or the both. And then we have repeat option, and this option allows you to set on which the days the alarm should repeat. And we have daily, weekdays, weekends, and never. And the last option is remove, so if you want to remove the alarm, you can do it. Then you can go back, and here we have our alarm. As you can see, it's turned off, so let's press the activity, press activity, go back, and it's gonna be turned on. You can also have multiple alarms, like this. And like I said before, you can also remove the alarms by selecting one, pressing activity, selecting remove, pressing activity, then pressing selecting yes and pressing activity again, like this. And once you're done setting your alarms, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And on the watch face, you will also see the alarm icon, which means that the some kind of alarm is active. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.